So you bought your first property, chose a fixed rate, and now your mortgage is due to expire in a matter of months. So what now? By the end of this video, you will know how to remortgage and find the best deals for you. Let's go. Hi, my name's Alex Kerr. I'm a qualified mortgage broker and my passion is simplifying the mortgage process, leading you to mortgage success. Let's get into the vid. As mentioned, your current mortgage deal is due to expire soon and you need to find another deal. It's important to note if you don't find another deal before your current deal expires, you will revert to the lender's standard variable rate of interest, which is usually much higher than the current deal you are on. So you want to avoid going on to the standard variable rate at all costs, and that means giving yourself time to find another deal, which is known as remortgaging. I always suggest looking for new mortgage options at the point your current mortgage deal has 5 or 6 months left to run. This is because most mortgage lenders will issue mortgage offers for 5 or 6 months, giving yourself plenty of time to prepare a new deal when your current one runs out, and therefore avoiding the standard variable rate of interest problem. I'm going to break this process down into 5 steps. Step 1, make sure you know when your current deal expires. This will be on the original mortgage offer that you would have obtained from your current lender. This is so you can start looking at new deals when you have around 6 months left on your current deal. Most mortgage deals will have penalties to exit early. These are usually fixed rates, however, there are some variable rates such as trackers and discounts that don't have any penalties or tie-ins. So in this instance, if you have no penalties, you can remortgage any time without a penalty. However, if you have penalties on your current mortgage deal, then the idea is to complete on your new remortgage deal the day after your current mortgage deal expires, so you do not have any penalties to pay. Step 2, find out what your current mortgage balance is. You will be able to find out by phoning up your current mortgage lender, checking a recent mortgage statement, or checking your original mortgage documents from your mortgage, which will show how much capital you will be paying off each year. You need to know what your mortgage balance is. This is so you can work out if you can obtain another mortgage and that it will be affordable, as since you got your last mortgage, things could have changed. Maybe 2 of you were working before and now only 1 of you has a salary, therefore 4.5 to 5 times your income is no longer going to enable you to borrow the amount you need to and remortgage. If your mortgage balance is within approximately 4.5 times your income, then you should be able to remortgage with most mortgage lenders. If not, I will address this in step 5. Step 3, make sure you have all of the documents that you require, such as a passport or driving licence, that it's in date, recent address verification such as a utility bill or bank statement within the last 3 months, and that you can prove your income with 3 months pay slips or 2 years accounts if you're self-employed. Make sure you've got your correct name and address on all of the documents. Step 4, make sure you are mortgage material. The most important elements are employment history. Ideally, you have at least 6 months continuous employment history without any gaps, and your credit score is still good. I would definitely check your credit file across all 3 credit agencies. We recommend Check My File. You can download your credit file for free and it's £14.99 thereafter. Links in the description below, and that your debt to income ratio is under 40%. Step 5, compare the best remortgage deals you can find against the best deal your current mortgage lender will offer you. If you stay with your current mortgage lender, this is in theory remortgaging, however it's classed more as a product transfer or a retention deal. Staying with your current mortgage lender will mean you don't have to have a valuation on your property, there will be no legal fees or no legal work required, and the mortgage lender may not even request any information or documents from you, so a product transfer could be more convenient. But the main focus should be on securing the best deal on the basis you're able to access both a remortgage and a product transfer. If for any reason your circumstances have changed and your income will no longer support your mortgage balance, using approximately 4.5 times your income, then some mortgage lenders may still offer you a product transfer on the basis your mortgage payments are up to date and that you have not missed a payment. If that doesn't work, then we do work with some mortgage lenders who may lend up to 8 to 10 times your income. Unfortunately, they are mortgage lenders that only work with mortgage brokers, and their criteria changes all the time, so I can't just give out the mortgage lenders, unfortunately, as if I did and someone applied to a mortgage lender and then the criteria changed, I could be liable for giving incorrect advice. The process for remortgaging usually takes anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks. You submit the mortgage lender will value your property. Sometimes they may need to visit your property, other times they can do a digital valuation. They will assess your documents and current situation such as employment, and all being well, issue you a mortgage offer. You can remortgage to pay off your current mortgage lender without borrowing any extra funds, which is known as a like-for-like remortgage, or if you have the income and the available equity, you can borrow extra money on top of paying your current mortgage lender off for things like home improvements, a wedding, a new car, to buy another property, or to repay existing debts in order to reduce your monthly payments. This is known as debt consolidation, but you must think carefully before securing other debts against your home. Most of the time, you will get a free valuation, free legal fees, and usually some type of arrangement fee charged by the mortgage lender, typically £999. You do have the option to add this arrangement fee to the loan, however, be aware that it does attract interest at the lender's standard variable rate. This can, of course, change depending on the deal you choose. The only problem you may suffer during a remortgage is usually from the solicitors, especially using free legal services like Enact. I would try and avoid Enact solicitors completely. I've had absolute nightmares with this firm. With my clients, I often choose cashback instead of a free legal fees service, so I can then instruct decent solicitors and manage the process myself. So that's certainly something I would chat about with your mortgage lender. Of course, at Mortgage Chain, we offer remortgage services and now have a brand new website where you can flick between our first time buyer website and our remortgage website by clicking the remortgage button at the top of the website, or by clicking the 3 dots at the top of the website if you are on a mobile device. You can obtain more information and book a free no obligation chat with us to discuss your remortgage options or product transfer options. The link's in the corner of the screen or in the description below. Today's question: is your mortgage deal coming up for renewal? Would you like to discuss the options? Let me know. Mortgage warnings. As a mortgage is secured against your home, it could be repossessed if you do not keep up the mortgage repayments, and you must think carefully before securing other debts against your home. So thanks for watching today's video. Please check out the show notes for a recap with access to any links discussed today. And if you like this video and feel you're getting value, please do consider subscribing and ringing the bell to receive notifications so we can carry on providing you with the value. I have noticed that under 50% of you watch the videos but are not subscribed. I would really be so grateful if you could subscribe. Once we hit 25,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a free online course where you'll be able to download this at no cost for both first-time buyers, and it will include remortgaging for the first time. If you want to discuss your remortgage options, book a free no obligation chat using the link here. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.